Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Nice having you here, all my lovely and returning subscribers. I appreciate you coming around again, and if you are new here, you are highly welcome too. Make yourself relaxed and click the red button and keep the channel going, okay? Today we're gonna be talking about tea, an immune boosting tea and a slimming tea altogether. This tea is multifunctional. It will do many things to your body while boosting your immunity. It goes ahead slimming your tummy. It goes ahead giving you a general body cleansing and detoxification from diseases and flu, cough, cold, catarrh, and all that. So in this tea, we'll be making use of cloves. Cloves are replete with powerful antioxidants that help fight free radical damage and boost our immunity. Cloves are also enriched with antiseptic, antiviral, and antimicrobial properties. The anti-inflammatory compounds help heal sore throat, cold and cough, and headache. The eugenol present in cloves help ease digestion. Healthy digestion is the key to effective weight loss. Cloves also help rev up metabolism naturally. Fighting free radical activity of cloves may also help and give you a beautiful skin. Ginger is antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory in nature. It alleviates heart disease, reduces blood sugar, relieves respiratory tract infections, burns fat in the body, and boosts immunity. Consuming ginger helps you lower the risk of cancer and nausea and vomiting, those experienced by pregnant women. It quenches nausea and vomiting. Also, ginger can help you lose general body weight. Lemon promotes hydration. It's a good source of vitamin C. It supports weight loss, improves skin quality, aids digestion, freshens breath, and prevents kidney stones. Lime improves digestion, fights infection, helps with weight loss, lowers blood sugar, reduces heart diseases, prevents cancer, and reduces inflammation. Having heard the health benefits of some of the ingredients we are going to be making use of in this tea, let's move ahead with the preparation. Now we start by grating the ginger. You can as well blend it, but I want to reduce this video to where anybody can be able to do it. Even if you don't have blender, you grate your gingers in this way. I'm done with the ginger. I'm gonna be introducing it in the pot for boiling for a few minutes, like 5 minutes. I'll also be adding the cloves into the pot for it to boil together with the ginger to bring out the good stuffs they've got for this tea. I'll be adding a cup of water because that's the size of tea I want. So you can increase your ingredients and also increase the quantity of water depending on how many cups of tea you desire, okay? For this, the ingredients I took are just for 1 cup of tea. Here, I move ahead with the preparation of the lemons to squeeze the juice out from the lemon and the lime. I roll the lemon to get enough juice. When you roll it like this, it softens and brings out enough water from it, which is the juice. I also did same for the lime. Yeah, I checked on my pot, it's boiling. Just 5 minutes because I wouldn't like to overcook this. So with this little heating, all the ingredients will come out. They will release it into the tea. Now I sieved my tea into the cup. Having sieved the tea, I added my green tea. I let it infuse for 3 minutes. Green tea contains biotic compounds, improves fat burning, improves brain function, relieves bad breath, antiviral agent, detoxifies and lowers cholesterol, helps the circulating and digestive systems. After 3 minutes, I removed the tea bag and I added my fresh lemon and lime. I did not want to cook it. Then I added some honey, a little bit. So the tea is ready for all the goodness and richness it got. So guys, the multifunction tea is ready. Check out all the ingredients we've used here and all their benefits. So try to get hold of them and prepare yourself a healthy, immune boosting, skin cleansing, cough relief and flu relief tea. Okay, yeah. So thank you for watching this video till this moment. I appreciate you all, and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye.